Anthony Pellegrino on how to use small media to build your brand. When it comes to brand building, small businesses have a big advantage over their larger counterparts, says Anthony Pellegrino. While big businesses can rely on name recognition and mass marketing campaigns to get their brands out there, small businesses have to be more creative in their approach. One of the most effective ways for small businesses to build their brands is by using small media. Small media refers to any type of communication that has a limited reach, such as local print or online publications, community radio or television stations, and so on. The advantage of using small media is that it allows you to target a specific audience with your message. This is much more effective than trying to reach everyone at once with a generic message. Anthony Pellegrino's tips for using small media for brand building. Here are 5 tips by Anthony Pellegrino for effectively using small media to build your brand. 1. Identify your target audience. The first step in using small media to build your brand is to identify your target audience. Who are you trying to reach with your message? Once you know who your target audience is, you can start to look for small media outlets that reach them. 2. Find the right outlets. Not all small media outlets are created equal. Some are better suited to reaching your target audience than others. When you're looking for small media outlets to use, make sure to consider things like the outlet's audience, content, and delivery method. 3. Create compelling content. Once you've found the right outlet for your message, you need to create compelling content. This is what will actually make people sit up and take notice of your brand. Make sure that your content is interesting, informative, and relevant to your target audience. If it's not, they're likely to tune out or even change the channel. 4. Deliver your content effectively. Once you've created great content, you need to make sure that it's delivered effectively. This means choosing the right format for your content and making sure that it's easy for people to consume. For example, if you're creating a video, make sure that it's short, attention-grabbing, and properly edited. If you're creating an article, make sure that it's well written and free of errors. 5. Monitor your results. Finally, once you've started using small media to build your brand, you need to monitor your results. Keep track of how many people are exposed to your content, how much engagement it's getting, and what kind of response you're getting from your target audience. According to Anthony Pellegrino, this will help you to fine-tune your strategy and make sure that you're getting the most out of small media. Anthony Pellegrino's concluding thoughts. While it might seem like a daunting task to take on social media giants with your limited resources, there are ways to use small media to build your brand. By creating content that is shareable and investing in digital marketing tactics like influencer outreach, you can reach new audiences and win over customers, says Anthony Pellegrino. With a little effort, you can make sure that your small business has a big presence online. Thanks for watching.